Welcome back to my video tutorial series. Uh, at the end of this video, you should know how to add. This video will be focusing primarily on the roofing detail, particularly on sectional elevation. So at the end of this video, you should know how to add roofing details on sectional elevation. So roofing details encompasses rafters, plyboard, underlay, shingles, ridge board, wall plate, eave details, fascia board, etc. So for this side, we're focusing mainly on the underlay and plyboard. So to add our plyboard, firstly a plyboard, we go to tool palette. So I'll type TP for tool palette. TP for tool palette, enter. And my next step is to go to roofing. I look on tool palette and it's not here. So my next step is to click at this spot right here. Click down here, this location. Click here. This brings up all the options. I will then go to roofing. Click on roofing. Once I've done that, it will bring up all the details for roofing. In this case, I want to add my plyboard, as the plyboard would be the next layer above the rafters. So for that, I click on plyboard. Once I've done that, it should bring up this tool palette. Currently, it gives the size for the plyboard. Just in case I want a different size plyboard, I would left click here and choose. In this case, I'm going to choose 1/2-inch plyboard. So I click on 13 millimeters. If I want 1-inch plyboard, I would click on 25 millimeters, which is its equivalent, 13. I could also change the material. Yeah, I could change from plyboard to hardwood or something else. All right. Particle board, etc. So I'm gonna stick with plyboard. Yeah. Also, we have we have options. So here I could choose rigid sheet flooring. So this particular palette or this drop down box offers a number of options. So I could use timber strip up there. I could also add some flooring stuff to this from that, basically. So for this, I want plyboard, yeah, not sheet flooring. So I'm gonna change here to 30 millimeters. Do I need hatch? Yes, I want to see the hatch pattern in this, so that is good. So my next step is to go to my drawing. Let me minimize these, go to the drawing, left click there, and left click here, and that is there. Escape. So that is here. And then hit spacebar to reactivate. And I would need to reset this to 13. And then click here, left click here, then move this across. Click here, then click here, then go down this side. Left click there to add. So that's basically how I add that material. So again, let me walk you through the process to add roofing material to sectional drawing. So the first layer that I added is my plyboard. So to do that, I first type tool palette, EP for tool palette, enter. I then go up to roofing. If roofing is not available, if you don't see it along the corner here, you simply click down here, then click on roofing. Then you choose. All right, so you choose there. In my next video, I'll show you how to add asphalt shingles. All right. So again, please like and subscribe. Share this video if you find the content useful. It's important, for you to like and subscribe. This helps to motivate me a lot, to make more videos like this.